Afternoon. So today we are making the start of the chicken run. So that is temporary. Ignore that, they're just in there enjoying themselves. Mum's making another temporary one for now, just to be able to get them outside while we're working on this. So we've got all the wood we need. We're making it over here on the front of the building. So in a minute we're just cutting up these bits of wood to 10 feet. I don't know what height we're going yet, Dad knows. So let's just see what we're doing then. So Dad's company sawing away the next piece. I shoot, is it 10 foot along as well? Yep. We've got 3 in here at the minute, just temporarily. We've got Coco, Fion, and I believe Fleur. They're just chilling out.
We'll have one there. One there.
Yep.
One in the middle.
Yep.
Probably. And then we'll put a door one side of one of them. Use one of them for a door.
Yep.
And then we want one up the end.
One corner there. Yep.
To hold it. And
what about around the door? What we're doing around the door?
what do you mean round the door?
Well, how we...
It's going to be open that end.
So it's going to be open that end.
It's going to be open and just hold on to that. I'll clamp it to the wall or something.
Yeah. All right. Right. So we've got 3 bits of 10-foot wood going along here. Then what we've got is, how many of these we've got? 6. 6 uprights that are about 82 inches. So we've got you have the 2 on the ends. We'll have 2 in the middle, like so. So we'll have 2 in the middle, and obviously we'll get 2 on the end as well. So currently we're making the base level using the spirit level there. We've got some blocks and we're going to work it all out and figure out how we're going to do underneath. So obviously we need to make sure the first thing is that there's enough clearance with the door as well. We've got our trusted sheepdog with us. There she is. Hello Bonnie. Oh, she's always out here with us. Let's see if we can peek what the chicken's actually doing. Oh, we've got some nesting going on and some dust bathing. Lovely stuff, ladies, you carry on. So we've got one of the Road Rocks dust bathing, the others are watching. I can't see who's in the box, so that's Ginger. Sure, that's you. Oh, so here's the box of screws that we're using. Nice long ones. They are, as you can see there. So we're putting 2 in on the sides. Also got a nail in as well. And just refixing the cross member along here. This is only a support beam until we built the frame. Helps to hold it in place, and then that'll be taken out when it's done. So that will be the beam on the top. We've made a frame, as you can see there, which is going to be supporting just above the door. That's just pre-drilling the holes for the screws. So the frame is being fixed to the woodwork of the building as such. Under here, as you'll see, we're putting the screws in. That's just putting one in up there. He's measured all the way along the gap between and keeping it the same. In my pocket, here you go. There's a tape measure. And then in a minute what we'll do is we'll end up putting all the uprights in next. He's just double checking his measurements across. Right, so now we're working on making the back frame. What we will do to use the frame for the back there, like so, we come around here, fix these two uprights. So they will be screwed in, and then we'll carry the back frame along, and then it will be fixed into the base. Dad's just pre-drilling some holes at the minute. So what we did over here on the top where it joins the top beam, pre-drilled the holes, then put the screws through. Same again over on this side, pre-drilled the holes and then put the screws through. And now he's pre-drilling the holes here in the side, can't really make out on the camera. Then what we'll do is we'll carry the frame up here and fix it to the base. So the back frame is now screwed into the bottom of the frame here. Look, 3 screws in either side holding it in like so. And now Dad's just doing some measuring for the middle support frame.
Need to reach 4 inches. Right, pass me that piece of wood up. Oh, actually, I'll tell you what.
You're not better off coming from over the wall?
No. Yes, shut up. So you can't get out.
Yeah, you can't get out yet.
I'm not even tempted. Never. At this rate.
You can get in.
Big's there because it's eating this dandelion. So if I throw some dandelion, they can have dandelion, can't they?
Yeah, we gave them a bunch yesterday.
That's what they want. Right? Go on, get out of the way.
Line it up.
How do I do this? Right, escape. Oh. Same thing all the time. Look, I've ticked a picture.
Right. I'll hold it, you come down. Come down. Don't fight you.
So he's just going to use a clamp to hold it in place for him. So far it's looking so good. We got all the chicken wire we need as well. We got that from a previous chicken hut that was on the property when we bought it. So to fit the middle upright, a little bit different. First of all, we got the sides and fixed them to the frame like so on both sides, fixed them into the frame. Then what we did, screwed in the top beam there afterwards rather than building it beforehand. Now that is on to making the door frame. Is that right? Is that door frame?
Yeah.
Yeah. How wide is that?
25 inches.
25 inches wide. That'll be alright.
Or 70 away.
And then that will be fixed onto, I believe, this side here. So far so good. There is the current frame. Now they're working on the chicken wire. So we've got all of this that we pulled off an old one, so we're recycling it. Going to use it. I did have a video of us taking this off of the old one, but pretty boring, pointless video. So measuring it out, working out what we need, and then it will be fitted around the sides like so. You can just about make that out. So it started to be fixed to the wood using staples like so, making sure it's strained nicely across. What we're also doing is, see these bits of wood here, fixing them to the bottom just to make sure that we cover up where it's been unlevel. So you can see we've just got them in temporary pens just for now, just while we're working on this. Let's just show you how Dad's fixing this to the base of the frame, because obviously at the minute we've got the gaps here. So what we've got is some old wood that was off the old, I believe this was this off the old chicken coop?
Yeah.
Yeah, it was. So we're reusing some old wood, which we've got quite a few pieces here that we're preparing, taking up staples, screws and stuff. And that'll be fixed around the base to protect the bottom hole that is open. The actual frame is level. We have actually got it level. Dad says we're just going to block up under here as well. Right guys, now time for a time jump. So we are, I don't know, nearly 2 months ahead from once it was built. So let's show you how far we got in the end. So the chicken wire is now on both levels as such, because as you'll see, we had the first layer around. Now we have the second layer around as well, as so. So the only thing we never actually got around to doing, which we will actually do it, it's just there's been a lot of other jobs going on, is we need to put chicken wire on the roof. And I think we need another cross member going across the top there as well. These sheets here are just to protect them from the wind, because we get wind down from the north of the fields there. As you can see for the bottom, we ended up just fixing the wood, them old wood from the old chicken coop that used to be here, or on the bottom there to cover up the gaps. So yeah, and obviously the door. So here's the door. We've got a locking system, so you've got a lock on this end. Let's go in. And then you've also got a lock on this side, so when you're in here you can lock yourself in as well. So there you are. It all works well. Chickens are probably in bed asleep at the minute. As you'll see, we've got some cool stuff in here for them. A little perch, they like to dust bath over here. We made a swing for them, some logs, water. It's a good little enclosure, pen, whatever you want to call it. Chicken run, pen, enclosure. 3 different names we could use. So yeah, oh, you see that bit of string hanging here? What we do with this is we actually put like cabbages and stuff, you hang it on there, or apples, and then when you're in the kitchen window you just see these heads bobbing up, little chicken heads just bobbing up, pecking away at it. So that is the chicken run finished. I hope you guys enjoyed that video and seen how we made it. You can see it's, you know, top quality sturdy wood. It was brand new, apart from the bits we recycled and the chicken wire we recycled. We also fixed ourselves a hand sanitizer bottle there, so we can do our hands when we come out, which is nice. So yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed watching this video, seeing how we made it. Maybe if you've got chickens, it will inspire you to have a go at making your own one. I mean, Dad's really good at DIY and wood and stuff, so when it came down to it, it was mostly all of his planning, and I'll just, as you see in the video, I assist as much as I can. So please give me a comment down below. I want to know who's here, who's watching. I'm grateful for any support that we're getting. It's nice to see who's watching these videos, what you think of them, anything we can do differently. So yeah, most of this video, again, we've time jumped. That started in, I'm going to say April, May, we're in May. So that started in about March time. So yeah, it's been quite a lengthy process. We've got a lot going on around here. On our journey, we've been here 6 months now. We're in Pembrokeshire in Wales. We are renovating this rundown farm, small holding. And yeah, we're doing the best we can. So this weekend we might have some new toys coming. We're hopeful. It's all been organised. If they do turn up, I'll get a video out Sunday, Monday, maybe even Saturday, depending when they come. We've also got something else new. I'll show you that quickly. So we got ourselves another mower. We've got a PZ. We've had it out in the field just to test it out, and that we need to fix something to it, but the gates are all shut. I'll just take you through that quickly. I'll take you through that very quickly. So we need to fix, where is it? I can't see it now. Dad's took it off, that's why. We need to fix something here where it holds the mower in place. We snapped it, and Dad welded it, and we snapped it again, so he's going to fix that. And also there's no bar to hold the tension on the belt, so we need to fix that in as well. So we'll show you all of that as well. That mower's going out. So yeah, I've also got myself a potato ridger that I'm cleaning up at the minute, a Fergie one, which is over in the yard. Let's take a quick time jump. So me and my brother have been out here starting to tidy this up while I brush it down. That is going to feature in a video, show you guys that. We're going to fully restore that, paint it up, make it look really nice, and then yeah, hopefully that will either be used or sold. Right, so hope you enjoyed today's video. Right, so yeah, I hope you enjoyed today's video on how to make a chicken run. If you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button, give us a comment down below. God, I'm puffed. Oh, I just fell over. Oh, my ankle. So yeah, if you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button, give us a comment down below, hit the thumbs up, and oh, thanks for watching guys, and take care.